Hey everybody, Big Toad here, and welcome back to another video on Unreal Engine 5 building a 2D or 2D 3D hybrid game. I promised you would come back in and fix those ugly hay bales I created. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Those ugly hay bales were originally those blue camphor boxes that you could kick around. I wanted to make them something different. So let's go into our Quixel bridge. Under Windows, click on that. And let's go up to the search bar and let's search for hay. Now that should bring up several assets, different types of hay, textures, from the bales that we originally had to all kinds of grasses, dried grasses and such. So we just need to go through here and select one we think is going to make a good kind of a hay bale looking block. Of course, you don't have to make it look like a hay bale. You can make it look like a brick or stone or metal, whatever you want for your game. Once you find the one you're looking for, just select that and then you can click download, and once it's downloaded you can click add and you'll have it in your game. So now I've added the hay asset to the game, so we can back into our game, click on our ugly hay bale, and go into the search bar under the mesh and type in hay, and there we have it. Not the hay bale, but the new hay we just added in there. We'll click on that and add it to our block, and already the block looks nicer. And just like that, those blocks should be changed in game to have our nicer hay texture. So we'll go over and look. There they are, all cleaned up, look a lot better. You can still knock them over like a real hay bale. Okay, that was just another quick tutorial in order to fix those blue blocks without making them not function properly on just how to change the texture. So you could just put any color you want, any kind of texture you want, and make those blocks look like something useful if you want to have those blocks in your game. All right, well, I hope you learned something. Hope you got yours working. This is the Big Toad, and I am out.